a lot of people want to turn off auto brightness, and some people even turned it off, but they still have the problem of auto brightness. Like whenever they go to sun, they can't even see what's going on their iPhones, because like the brightness is very low, even though they turned off the auto brightness and they increased the brightness to the max, but still the problem exists in the iPhone. So the first method, guys, what you want to do, guys, for those who didn't turn off, and I'm going to show you guys the solution for this, for people who already turned off everything but still they have this problem. Now if you haven't turned off auto brightness, a lot of people think that they can just click on the display and brightness and they can then turn off auto brightness, but that's not the case, because iPhone is trying to make it very complicated for people to turn it off, because they know that they have this problem of heat. Like some people, like when the iPhone gets too hot, the brightness decreases by itself even if you turn off the auto brightness. Now you want to just go back to accessibility, and after that you want to click on, after you click on accessibility, you want to click on display and text size. Now you want to scroll down, like I said, you want to click on display. After you click on accessibility, you want to click on display and text size. At the very bottom here, it says auto brightness. You want to turn it off, okay? Now see if the problem is resolved, because if you are not living in a very hot environment, like in the sun every single day, the weather is very hot, it will work for you perfectly. But for people who live in the sun, the only solution I have found, I have done a lot of research, is to remove the keys from your phone, and like don't use GPS, because it makes the phone very hot, and when it gets hot, the iPhone, the software on iPhone decreases the brightness because they are scared. The iPhone is scared to something to explode inside the iPhone, because they know if they just keep the brightness to the max, something is going to happen to the phone, because it gets so hot. So just remove the case and make sure you are in a good weather, somewhere where it's not, the sun is not in front of the phone. Like that's exactly the solution, guys. Hopefully this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Let me know in the comments if this works. I would highly appreciate if you leave a comment. See you.